In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. Welcome back in our online classes as today is Monday, 21st December 2020. It is our English lecture time period. Our today's topic is the elves and the shoemaker. Today we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter. So all of you open your books and open the back exercise of given chapter. Okay students, have you opened your read now book? Page number 89. The chapter elves and the shoemaker. Today we are going to the back exercise of given chapter. So firstly we will take the start our back exercise from the can you tell. Okay students, question number 1 is a shoemaker is a man who makes and mends shoes. Give a sentence about each of the following. Students, here are the name of some workers. We will tell their professions, their occupations, what are they doing. Okay students, as a shoemaker is a man who makes and mends shoes, so we will tell about a chimney sweep, a house painter, a gardener, a joiner, a plumber, a baker, a butcher, and a grocer. Okay students, in this exercise we will come to know the works of these workers. These are the persons, we will tell the works of these persons. These are the works and we will tell the occupations of these workers. Okay students, don't forget to write the CW and the short date on the top of your page number 89. Students, I will clear your concept about these workers by the images by the video. You will watch the video carefully and listen their professions carefully. So you will do these back exercise 1 and 2 by yourself. I will not write options over here. Just you will understand, I will explain and you will write by yourself. Okay students? Okay students, our first statement is a chimney sweep. Before explaining the meaning of chimney, I want to share some images of chimney. This is the picture of a chimney, and a chimney sweep is a person whose job is to clean the soot out of chimney. Now I will tell you what is a soot. Soot is a black substance formed by combustion rising in fine particles and adhering to the sides of the chimney or pipe, conveying the smoke specially. So the work of a chimney sweep is to clean the smoke from the chimney. Okay students, our next statement is a house painter. A house painter is a person who paints the house, as you can see in this image. Next one is a gardener. A gardener is a person who looks after the plants in the garden. And our next person is a joiner. A joiner is a person who joins the things. And our next one is the plumber. A plumber is a person who fits the pipes. A baker is a person who bakes the bakery items for us, like bread, cake, buns. Next one is a butcher is a person who sells and cuts the meat for us. And last one is the person who is a grocer. A grocer is a person who sells the fruits, vegetables, and the different items in the market, called the grocer. Students, as you can see different images and with professions.